Generators are very useful following a disaster, but they can pose hazards such as carbon monoxide poisoning, electrocution, and fire. Providing your own emergency power is safer when you follow some basic guidelines. Purchase your portable electric generator only from a reputable dealer who can service and maintain the unit. Portable generators are designed to provide power to a small number of selected appliances or lights. The generator should be sized for the expected load. Follow all manufacturer's instructions that come with your generator. Locate the unit outdoors and away from doors, windows, and vents that could allow dangerous carbon monoxide to come indoors. Portable generators should never be connected directly to a building's wiring or through an outlet. This presents an electrocution risk to utility workers and neighbors and bypasses household circuit protection devices. For more information on safe generator operation and storm preparation, visit EnergyStormCenter.com.